Welcome back. Businessman Robert Vadra, brother-in-law of Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, appeared before the ED today for the third straight day for questioning in a money laundering case linked to alleged irregularities in a 2008 Haryana land deal case. Now, the 56-year-old has been questioned for over 10 hours in the last 2 days as part of the investigation and the recording of his statement process under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, also known as the PMLA. Now, Robert Vadra has labelled the ED summons a political witch hunt against him and his family and said that he has always cooperated with the agency.
उनको कुछ गलत नहीं मिला इस लैंड डील में और पूरी मेरे को क्लीन चिट 2 बारी मिल चुकी है अथॉरिटी से और खट्टर जी से 2019 में 2020 में। तो मैं ये कहूंगा कि ये मेरे को समझ नहीं है कि 2019 के बाद जब मैं 15 बारी गया हूं, 10-10 घंटे बैठा हूं और सारे सवाल के जवाब दिए हैं, अब 7 साल बाद वही विषय में दोबारा बुलाने का मेरे को मकसद समझ नहीं आ रहा। पर मकसद फिर पक्का हो जाता है कि उसी दिन चार्जशीट होती है सोनिया जी और राहुल की। तो ये टोटल पॉलिटिकल विच हंट है और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये अनुभव है मेरा लोगों के बीच में और लोगों की सोच ये है कि गलत दुरुपयोग हो रहा है एजेंसियों का और ये नहीं होना चाहिए।
Now, taking a pot shot at the agency, Vadra claimed that he would have been celebrating his birthday in the ED office tomorrow if it was not for it being a public holiday.
अच्छा है कि कल पब्लिक हॉलिडे है, नहीं तो मेरा जन्मदिन भी मैं यहीं ईडी के ऑफिस में इनके साथ बैठना पड़ता, पर कल गुड फ्राइडे है तो इसलिए कल मेरे को ऑब्वियसली बंद है, इसलिए मेरे को नहीं बुलाया जा रहा।
Crossing over to my colleague Priyank, who's been tracking the developments in this story. Priyank, we've heard what Robert Vadra has had to say. He's essentially alleging that this is all a political vendetta being helmed by the BJP. But as far as the ED questioning is concerned, what are your sources telling you about the level of cooperation there?
See, Vadra has been repeatedly replying on the same set of lines which has been told to him by the lawyers, where he has been denying any kind of involvement with the government officials, because this case pertains to the PMLA Act, which means that the money laundering had happened. This is what the prima facie evidence was there with the enforcement directorate. Since the state government, which was the main party in this case, which filed the first FIR, which was converted into an FIR, and that already had the predicate offence, had already withdrawn the case and they had filed a closure report before the court. The confidence of Robert Vadra is certainly rising, and that is making him make these kind of statements again and again before this coming before the enforcement directorate. But he has also been very much biased about the media networks. What he has been saying that those favorable media should be only one which will get a response from Robert Vadra. But in the Janata Bites, he has been talking about that how he and his party members have been targeted. But in the meanwhile, he has also risen his stature, and now he's politically comparing himself with Rahul Gandhi and claiming that Rahul Gandhi is being attacked inside the parliament and I'm the one who's being subject to a political witch hunt by the BJP as a party which is ruling in the centre. So that is the stand of Robert Vadra. ED has been questioning him. Today is the 6th round of questioning on the 3rd consecutive day where he's been questioned by the enforcement directorate, and we are expecting that tomorrow he's not being called. It is going to be decided later in the stage that when Mr. Vadra would be called back at ED.
All right, Priyank, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more context there in connection with this. We'll continue to track the development.